In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search on Outlook by date. We'll walk through the process of logging in and then utilizing the search functions within Outlook to effectively find emails by specific dates. This is a handy feature if you're trying to organize your inbox or locate an important piece of correspondence. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to the Outlook login page at Microsoft 365's official site. If you don't have a direct link, simply searching for Outlook login in any search engine will guide you to the right page. Once you're there, you'll see a large button that says sign in, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will initiate the login process. Now you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Outlook account. Carefully input your email and once you're finished, click the next button. This will instruct Outlook to verify your email address and prepare for the next step. It's as simple as just following the prompts on the screen. Upon successfully inputting your email, it's time to enter your password. Make sure you type it in correctly to avoid any login errors. If you're using a computer you trust, you might consider clicking the checkbox that gives you the option to stay signed in. This will save you some time for future logins. After this, just click sign in and voila, you're logged into Outlook. Occasionally, Outlook might ask you if you'd like to remain signed in on this device for ease of access going forward. If you're on a personal or secure computer, go ahead and click yes. This means you won't have to repeatedly enter your login credentials each time you access your account. It's a small time saver in your daily routine. With the login complete, you now find yourself on the Outlook homepage. On this screen, in the upper part of your Outlook navigation pane, you'll notice a search bar. Directing your attention here, go ahead and click into this search field. This is where all the magic happens in terms of searching and finding emails by date. To leverage the power of Outlook's search capabilities, you'll need to input a date filter. Date filters allow you to narrow down your search to specific timeframes. For instance, you might type something like received yesterday or received last week. Typing in these keywords tells Outlook to focus on emails received during those periods, pulling up just the relevant messages and saving you the hassle of sorting through your entire inbox. Let's say you want to find emails from a few months ago. You might use something like received February 2023. This precision is invaluable when you recall the month or date of a conversation, but not the specifics of who it was with. Remember, the clearer your dates and specifics, the more accurate your search results will be. One of the great features of Outlook Search is its adaptability. Whether you need to filter by date, sender, subject, or even keywords within the email, this search bar can typically accommodate. As you become more comfortable, try combining these search terms for even more precise results, like received September 2023 from John. The options are incredibly flexible, allowing you to streamline your inbox management effectively. If at any point you make a mistake, don't worry. Simply clear the search bar and start again. The process is forgiving, and your search terms can be adjusted until you find just what you're after. It's all about trial and error until you get comfortable with the syntax and what works best for your needs. In conclusion, searching by date in Outlook is a straightforward yet powerful feature. It's especially useful for keeping your inbox under control or tracking down those old conversations that hold vital information. Just remember to sign in safely, use the search bar effectively, and play around with the date filters until you find what you need. Mastering this simple tool can significantly improve your email management skills. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this quick tutorial easy to follow and informative. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your digital life efficiently. Until next time, happy emailing.